Hello, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Study Psychology with Chia. And I am Chia Jaswal. And I would like to say Happy Diwali to you all, guys. So, I'm starting this channel just after Diwali. I was just waiting for my master's exams to finish and then this Diwali break. So today only I have created this channel and I'm trying to upload the very first video on this channel today only. So let me introduce myself to you all. So this is something about me. I have written in few bullet points. So I have completed my secondary and senior secondary from Jaipur in 2013 and 15 respectively. So in senior secondary, I opted for science, maths. So my subjects were physics, chemistry, maths, English as compulsory, and I opted for psychology as my optional subject. So I have been in touch with psychology since my 11th standard. Okay. Then I got admission in University Maharani's College, Jaipur for the course of psychology honors in 2015 to 18, and I was felicitated with gold medal as I topped in university in the particular course. Then after that I got myself enrolled in University of Rajasthan for 2018 to 20 for masters in psychology. So I have just wrapped up with my exams on this 9th of November only, 9th November 2020, and my results are still awaited. Also, I'm waiting for the results of the PG diploma in guidance and counseling from Vimao. I filled the form and gave these exam, so the results are still awaited. I have pursued both of these things together. Apart from that, I would like to tell you that I have qualified NTA UGC NET twice consecutively in June 2019 and December 2019. Yes, friends, this was again while I was pursuing my masters. I qualified the NET exam, which is National Eligibility Test, which is mandatory, we can say, for being an assistant professor. Okay, so I qualified it for the very first time while I was in my second semester, and then I qualified it again with better percentage while I was in my third semester exam. Okay, so I'm also providing online coaching for psychology to students of honors, bachelor's honors. Okay, and also to few people of NET who are preparing for NET exam. And I have also worked as an educator on an academy. So you can find me on an academy with the same name, which is Shia Jaswal. And guys, I have uploaded few videos there, but now I have decided to upload all my further videos here only on YouTube. So you can all find me there for my previous lessons, but I'll be re-uploading those with the more energy and more data on my YouTube channel. Okay, so my motto in life is let's grow together, because I believe if I impart my knowledge which I have gained so far with you guys, it will only multiply and will never subtract. Okay, so I would like to share all my certificates with you guys. So this is the first NET certificate which I received. This I received for 20th June 2019. Okay, while I was in second semester, as I told you already. And this is the second certificate of NET which I received in December 2019. So I have qualified NET twice, and I'm trying to impart my knowledge which I gained while preparing without any coaching, by myself only, for NET. Okay, so apart from that, this is the gold medal which I received. I have clicked this picture, so it is not that clear, I know. Please cooperate. So I received this gold medal. It is named as Dr. Sukh Sampat Mal Singhvi Memorial Gold Medal for securing highest marks in psychology subject in BA honors in 2017 to 18. Okay, so I received this for highest marks in BA honors in psychology. Okay, then apart from that, these are more of my merit certificates which I received for having first university position, first college position, and so on, for all the 3 years, first, second, and this is for third year of honors. Okay, so apart from that, I also participated in Synergia. So all the people from Rajasthan University must be knowing about Synergia, which is organized annually by University Maharani's College, Jaipur. In this, the students participate for three categories, that is poster, working model, and model only, non-working model. Okay, so I participated in working model category consecutively for 2 years, and I also secured first position. I received all the certificates and trophies for firstly making working model on Pavlov's experiment, which was very famous, and every psychology student must be aware about this because we have been learning about this since class 11th. Okay, so the experiment is named as classical conditioning. And after that, while I was in third year, that is 2017 to 18, I again got enrolled for working model category and made the working model for Seligman's experiment of learned helplessness, which is again a very famous experiment. Okay, so I was interested in this thing and secured first position both of the times. Okay, so guys, my focus of this YouTube channel is because I want to impart my knowledge which is useful for honors, also pass course people, PG, and for net. So I will be uploading my lessons which will give more knowledge, which will clarify your doubts, which will give you better understanding on the topics which are useful for your UG, PG, and for your net as well. And also, if you are not from psychology background but you are thinking about opting it for your competition exams, then also you can refer to my lessons. And it would be great if we all learn something together. If I try to motivate you somehow or give you better understanding, and you also ask me questions and clarify your doubts, so this will be a very good medium of YouTube to connect to mass. So I just chose it, and in the further lessons I will be discussing firstly about the syllabus of net and the books which we will be referring and the strategy which we will adopt. Okay, so guys, let me tell you, this will be a very brief lesson, and all my lessons would be very brief because you will just get an idea, an introduction of all the topics, as it will also help me with enhancing my skills, and it will give you better understanding. And apart from that, I'm providing online coaching which is paid. So if in case you want to join, you can contact me at the email address which is studypsychologywithshia@gmail.com. So in case if you want to join, you can firstly watch my videos on Unacademy or wait for my YouTube lessons, and then you can decide if you feel like that yes, you need coaching, and it would be great if you join me. Then you can contact me on the email address provided. Okay, so just wait for my next lesson in which we discuss the syllabus of net and the strategy to be used. Okay, bye bye, thank you.